In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace seamlessly using the Shopify Buy button. This method is a fantastic way to embed a product or even an entire collection directly onto your Squarespace site, providing a smooth and professional shopping experience for your visitors. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we need to set up your Shopify store. If you haven't already done so, you'll want to create an account on Shopify. Once you're all set up, your next task is to add the products you wish to sell. This is a crucial first step because without those products in your Shopify inventory, there's nothing to showcase on your Squarespace site. Next, we want to enable the Buy Button sales channel within your Shopify admin area. Simply navigate to the Sales Channels section and add the Buy Button option. This is important because it allows you to generate the necessary code that will embed your products onto Squarespace. Once the Buy Button sales channel is enabled, it's time to create and customize your Buy Button. Choose which product or collection you want to highlight. During this step, you'll be able to customize the button's appearance and functionality. This includes choosing colors, fonts, and even the style that best matches your brand's identity. Some thoughtful customization can really make your Buy Button stand out and provide a cohesive look with the rest of your site. Moving on, embedding the code is our next task. Copy the generated embed code from Shopify and then head over to your Squarespace page. You'll want to paste it into a code block which is easily accessible from the Squarespace editor. Take your time with this step to ensure the code is properly placed for optimum functionality. If you prefer, there's another way to connect the two platforms. You can use your Squarespace domain as the primary domain for your Shopify store, which brings a more integrated feel to your online presence. To do this, you'll need to log in to both your Shopify and Squarespace accounts. In Shopify, navigate to the domain settings by going to Settings, then Domains, and choosing to connect an existing domain. Enter your Squarespace domain and follow the steps that guide you through the verification process. Sometimes, Shopify might not automatically verify the domain connection. In such cases, you'll need to delve into your Squarespace DNS settings and add specific A and C name records. Finally, return to Shopify and verify the domain connection. Once verified, your Squarespace domain will function seamlessly as the primary domain for your Shopify store. Congratulations, you've now successfully integrated Shopify with Squarespace. With this setup, you're equipped to provide your visitors with an engaging, streamlined shopping experience right on your Squarespace website. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!